take it away, TV Tahi. Good evening, kia ora, namaste, talofa lava, bola, ni hao, welcome. On TV Tahi tonight at 7, our exciting new series, Understanding the Spinning Wheel. At 8:30, our exciting new series, Close to Whare. And tonight, the exciting question is, at 8 o'clock, will Hene Moa come hither? We are on the edge of our seats. Then at 9 o'clock, after a horrid ad break full of noise, bright colours and crass commercialism, our only for mum and dad part of the evening, Tahi after hours, and tonight an exciting risque treat.
Every morning have a cup of coffee. Every morning have a cup of tea.
Goodness gracious me. Then sport at 10. And this evening, motor racing live from Bathurst. Buckle up, Aotearoa.